Bruce Lee vs. 8 Japan karate fighters at Los Angeles Airport. Real story. Someday in 1970s, Bruce Lee was on his way home to Oakland, California. Bruce Lee was attacked at the airport right after he walked out from the immigration. There were about 6 to 7 Japanese men who know karate. All of them are at least 7th degree black belts in karate and some are 10th degree. And they attacked Bruce Lee right after he walked out from the immigration. Of course, Bruce Lee is alone, therefore he fights all of them with everything he could. The fight scene is more or less like this. The fight lasts about 10 minutes until the police officers came. Bruce Lee told this real story personally to one of his best friends in Hong Kong. Let's listen to what he said during his last interview in Hong Kong by Tai Si Doi. Many people think that these kind of fights only happen in movies, but it did happen for Bruce Lee. This is because it was not an easy task to open a martial arts school in America during 1960 to 1970s. Because of that, Bruce Lee was so used to it. He was so used to people challenging him anytime at any places. When Bruce Lee goes to a restaurant, he has to let his wife, Linda, sit opposite him so that he can nose when someone attacks him from the back. That's how Bruce Lee's life was. That's also the reason why he became the best fighters in the world. So, what do you think about Bruce Lee fights with these Japanese karate fighters at LA Airport? Please do not hesitate to leave your comment below.